Buddy, let's take a look at BYND, Beyond the Meat. So realistically speaking, this stock has been selling off since, going back April, May, June. We do have these high peaks and valleys here. This is the weekly time frame. So, I mean, you can just look back and see how much stocks were running, 2020, coming into 2021, when the FOMO and the pure madness of things was at its all-time high. I mean, at one point in time, Beyond Meat was trading at $239.71, came crashing all the way down to around $74. And then from there, we kind of had these, like I said, these peaks and these valleys and these peaks and these valleys and these peaks and these valleys. But it seems like we've been having some steady selling pressure, just going back to about July. So this white trend line that I do have on here, this $61.82, this is going to act as a level of support. You can see that we just going all the way back here to 513. Really when we just came out and just exploded, we came all the way back down, back tested it once here in March and middle of March area. And then we really haven't touched it until right now. So could BYND be on, a little bit of an uptick here? It's just really too early to say. Could this be a potential loading zone for you? If you are interested in the company, you're interested in the stock, if you do believe in what they got going, me personally, I don't. Just due to the fact that I've tried some of their products and they are not good. They're very, very bad. So I don't want to just say that just because their products to me personally taste like shit, that's why the stock is not doing good. But it's just, I just don't see it. I don't see it. There's a lot of other companies out there doing the same thing. Stock prices equally valued, or if not less. Who knows as to why this stock can't really get going? Does it see 239 highs? I think that's, kind of a long time away. Their earnings have not been good, and just progressively getting worse. I don't know, fundamentally when the company is going to be able to turn it around, to be able to back up the stock price heading back to that $100, $150, $200 range. So, however, that has nothing to do with trading a stock. I trade stocks each and every single day, and I don't even know the companies half the time because I'm a technical trader. I'm trading levels, and I'm trading price action. So with that being said, BYND could be a buy down here in the $60 to $70 range. This is a weekly time frame chart. You can see here we had that bottom where we came into that $61, $62 area, and then today on the weekly time frame we are getting stuffed at the 5-day moving average. So what are we looking for going forward on BYND? BYND, we are looking for the stock to get over $70.50. Over $70.50 is going to have room to 83. If we just kind of do look at it from the daily time frame here, got that bottom out down here at around 62. We are coming into resistance here at this channel. So with that being said, tomorrow and going into Thursday and Friday, look for the fade. Okay. So anytime you get these pops and you're underneath supply, you're underneath the 50, you're underneath the 20, the 10, the 5-day moving average, so forth and so forth. Anytime you're under those supplies, any pop can be sold. Good thing is that on BYND, we are starting to close over this 5 and 10-day moving average. However, we are getting stuffed at this channel, and we still do have the 20-day moving average to combat with. So with that being said, we really need to get over the 73, 75 area before I see any good upside. So no rush. We have the clear line in the sand. That $60, $61 is a clear line in the sand to the downside. If we start getting above this range here, getting above these channels, I would say anywhere between $73 and $75 long is going to take us back into the 80s. We do have a gap to fill here between 85 and around 95. So definitely keep that in mind as well. But I wouldn't rush into this. I wouldn't rush into this trade here, get stuff that supply at around 70 and then turn and roll back over to 62. let's let it clear out the supply. Let's calm down a bit. Let's get into the $73 zone, the $75 zone, get some confirmation of that, and let's swing that into the 80, 83, 85 zone. If we still look strong and these moving averages continue to curl up, we do have that gap, like I said, between 85 and 95. That would be the level of play. However, BYND has a ton of short interest as well. So, you know, if they short this back down, look for a flush through 61.82. I hope that helps. Subscribe to the channel, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all on the next video.